Understanding Mechanical Design, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of mechanical design. Whether you're curious about engineering, looking to expand your technical vocabulary, or simply interested in how things are made, this video will guide you through the basics of mechanical design, its importance, and where you might encounter it in everyday life. Let's embark on this journey to demystify mechanical design together. Mechanical design is the process of designing components and systems that form part of a larger machine or product. It involves applying principles of physics, mathematics, and material science to create items that are functional, reliable, and can be manufactured at a reasonable cost. From the car you drive to the chair you sit on, mechanical design plays a crucial role in creating the world around us. In this section, we'll explore the key elements that mechanical designers consider when creating a new product or system. Functionality, how the design fulfills its intended purpose. Manufacturability, the ease with which parts can be made and assembled. Durability, the ability of the design to withstand the conditions it will be exposed to. Cost-effectiveness, ensuring the design can be produced within a reasonable budget. Understanding these elements helps designers create products that are not only innovative but also practical and accessible. The process of mechanical design can be broken down into several steps. 1. Identifying the problem, understanding what needs to be designed or improved. 2. Conceptualizing, brainstorming ideas and creating initial sketches or models. 3. Design and development, using computer-aided design (CAD) software to refine ideas into detailed plans. 4. Prototyping, creating a working model to test the design. 5. Testing and evaluation, assessing the prototype to ensure it meets all requirements. 6. Finalization, making any necessary adjustments based on testing feedback. Each step is crucial in transforming an idea into a tangible, functional product. Technology, especially computer-aided design (CAD) software, has revolutionized mechanical design. It allows designers to create precise models, simulate the performance of their designs under various conditions, and make adjustments before any physical prototype is built. This not only speeds up the design process but also enhances the accuracy and quality of the final products. We hope this video has shed some light on the intricate world of mechanical design. It's a field that combines creativity with technical skills to solve real-world problems and create the products we use every day. Whether you're an aspiring engineer or simply curious about how things are made, understanding mechanical design is a fascinating step into the world of innovation and creation. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you.